Have you ever wondered how technology, as we know it today, came about? To understand that, we have to travel back in time, a few million years ago. It all started with our prehistoric ancestors who, driven by necessity and curiosity, began to shape the world around them. They crafted simple tools from stone, bone, and wood. These tools, while humble by today's standards, represented a monumental leap in human abilities. They were used to hunt, gather, and build, essential skills for survival. The most iconic of these prehistoric tools is the stone hand axe, a multi-purpose implement used to cut, scrape, and shape materials. These early inventions marked a significant point in human evolution, the dawn of technology, enabling us to adapt to different environments, fend off predators, and master the physical world. These tools, rudimentary as they may seem, laid the foundation for the technological marvels we see today. As societies evolved, so did their technological prowess. The cradle of civilization, Mesopotamia, saw the birth of written communication on clay tablets, known as cuneiform, which revolutionized record-keeping and communication. Meanwhile, in Egypt, the construction of the pyramids showcased advanced engineering and architectural skills, a testament to their innovative prowess. In the East, ancient India gifted us with early mathematical concepts, including the ingenious concept of zero. China, not to be outdone, brought forth the invention of paper and printing, significantly impacting the spread of knowledge across the globe. Let's not forget the Greeks, who laid the foundation for scientific inquiry and philosophy. They set the stage for later technological developments by fostering a culture of questioning and learning. These technological advancements were not just inventions, they were the building blocks of modern civilization. They laid the groundwork for the world as we know it, shaping our societies and cultures in profound ways. The Middle Ages and the Renaissance brought a more focused approach to technological development. In the Middle Ages, Europe saw the rise of ingenious inventions. Water wheels and windmills began harnessing the power of nature, converting it into usable energy. The intricate gears of mechanical clocks marked the passing of time with newfound precision. Advances in shipbuilding and navigation opened up the world, leading to exploration and expansion. Then came the Renaissance, a period of intellectual and artistic awakening. This era gave us great inventors like Leonardo da Vinci, a man whose sketches revealed designs for flying machines, armored vehicles, and other devices centuries ahead of their time. But perhaps the most influential invention of this period came from Johannes Gutenberg. His printing press revolutionized the spread of information, making books more affordable and widely available. These centuries of innovation set the stage for a period of rapid technological advancement, the Industrial Revolution. The 18th and 19th centuries marked a significant turning point in human history with the advent of the Industrial Revolution. This transformative period saw the birth of new technologies that forever altered the course of our society, economy, and culture. The Industrial Revolution began in Great Britain, where inventors and entrepreneurs introduced a series of technological breakthroughs. The steam engine, developed by inventors like Thomas Newcomen and improved by James Watt, revolutionized transportation and industry. These powerful machines could pump water from mines, power factories, and propel ships and locomotives. The steam engine was the beating heart of the Industrial Revolution, driving economic growth and societal change. In the textile industry, innovations such as the spinning jenny, the water frame, and the power loom transformed the way clothes were made. These machines significantly increased production speed and volume, making clothes more affordable and accessible. This shift from handmade to machine-made products marked the beginning of mass production, a concept that would come to define modern industrial society. But the Industrial Revolution was not just about machines and factories. It was also about the mechanization of industries. This process, which involved the use of machinery to perform tasks previously done by hand, had profound implications. It led to the rise of factories and urban centers, drastically changing the way people lived and worked. Rural agrarian societies gradually gave way to urban industrial ones as people moved to cities in search of jobs. The economic landscape was transformed as well. The Industrial Revolution led to the rise of capitalism and the modern industrial economy. New industries emerged, wealth increased, and the middle class expanded. However, this period also brought significant social challenges, including harsh working conditions, environmental pollution, and economic inequality. The Industrial Revolution was indeed a pivotal moment in our technological history. Its innovations and impacts shaped the world we live in today, laying the groundwork for future technological advances. The Industrial Revolution paved the way for the next era of technological innovation, the age of electronics. The 20th century was a time of unprecedented technological advancements. As the world ushered in this new era, it was electricity that became the lifeblood of modern society. It illuminated our cities, powered our industries, and opened up a myriad of possibilities that were previously unimaginable. In the early part of the century, the invention of the telephone and the radio revolutionized the way we communicate. Suddenly, distances that once seemed insurmountable could be bridged with the push of a button or the turn of a dial. These advances in telecommunications laid the groundwork for the innovations that would follow. Then came the advent of computers. What started as massive, room-filling machines in the mid-20th century evolved into sleek, powerful devices that fit in the palm of our hand. These digital companions transformed every aspect of our lives, from how we work and learn to how we socialize and entertain ourselves. But the real game changer was the internet. This global network of computers made information accessible at our fingertips and connected us in ways we could never have imagined. It broadened our horizons, empowered us with knowledge, and made the world a smaller place. These advancements have not only transformed our physical world, but also our social and cultural landscapes. They've changed how we interact with each other, how we perceive ourselves, and how we navigate our world. The age of electronics has seen the rise of a global community, connected by technology and driven by information. As we stand on the threshold of the 21st century, we see a world that is vastly different from the one our ancestors knew. It's a world shaped by technology, defined by innovation, and teeming with possibilities. Yet, it's just the beginning. As we continue to innovate and create new technologies,